Tiered rates can be useful when you want to offer a lower exchange rate to customers who need to exchange higher volumes of cash. To create a tiered rate, simply create a new rate as we just did, but create a new alias for it. For instance, PLN VIP, and this is the name it will show on your rate board. You can then add a better margin for the client to encourage them to exchange larger amounts with you. Under Currencies, edit currency rates. You can edit any or all of your automatic rates on a single page. Save your changes, and you'll see the changes have been reflected in your currency grid. Keep in mind that if a currency is set to a manual change within its settings, any changes you would make to it within this page would not be saved.